If you're new to Chime, here's a quick tutorial to help you get started with the Chime mobile app. First, download the Chime app from your App Store or Google Play and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, the home screen shows you your available balance right at the top, so you know always how much you have. The bottom menu has five main tabs: Home, Move, Money, Pay, Friends, Transactions, and Settings. Under Move Money, you can see your account routing numbers for direct deposit, transfer money to other accounts, or request payments. The Pay Friends tab lets you send money instantly to anyone with a common account. Just enter their email or phone number. Tap Transactions to view your recent spending, and Chime categorizes your purchases automatically to help with budgeting. In Settings, you can manage your card, enable security features like fingerprint login, update your personal info, and control notifications. A handy feature is the instant transaction alerts, so you get notified every time money moves in or out, helping you track your spending in real time. That's your quick Chime app walkthrough. If you found this helpful, then subscribe for more tips and comments with any app features you want me to cover next.